Hello children. So today we will study fourth chapter of moral science, that is everyone loves you. Okay, so open page number 13. Everyone loves you. Yes, it is right. We are surrounded by so many people and everyone loves us. Why everyone loves us? Because for the good person we are. Obviously when you are a good person, everyone loves you, right? So let's start the chapter, children. Your father and mother love you. Your brother and sister love you. Your uncles, aunts, cousins and other relatives love you. Your teachers and friends love you. You must love them too. So children, you are surrounded by so many good people around you and everyone loves you. Your father and mother love you. You know that very well, that no one can love more than your parents, right? Your brother and sister are so loving, they also love you. And their love is, your father, mother, brother, sister, their love is unconditional. Means they don't expect anything from you in return. Their love is pure and unconditional. Your uncle, aunts, cousins, everyone loves you. So you should also love them. In return, what do they want? They just want that you also love them back. Your parents take care of your needs. They buy good clothes for you. They give you good food. They take you out for picnics. They always think about you. So your parents, they do every possible thing to make you happy, right? If you say that you need new clothes, they buy new clothes for you. You say that I want to eat pizza today, they make sure that you get pizza that day. So, and sometimes for your fun and enjoyment, they take you out for picnic, they take you out for shopping so that you can buy your favorite things. They take you out to malls sometimes and to watch movies also. So many fun things they do for you. Why do they do? Because to make you happy. Your parents are concerned about you. Concern means they care for you. They care for your needs. They are worried if you do not reach home in time. When you are sick, they sit by you. They give you medicines. They take care of you day and night. They make sure that you are all right. So parents are so concerned about you. They are worried about you all the time. If you suppose any day you don't reach school in time, so they get worried. What happened? By this time my child comes back home and today he or she has not yet come to home. So they get worried. What happened to my child? So, and also when you are sick, they are very worried for your health. They do everything to make you healthy again. They take you to the best doctor, they give you medicines and they pray for your speedy recovery. So what is all that? This is the love for you, right? Your father works hard to earn money. Money is needed to buy things. In some houses, mothers too go out to work. They work hard to fulfill your needs. So your parents, most of the houses, father works. He works so hard. Full day he is out to earn money. And for whom he earns money? For you, for his family. And in some houses, mother also go out in your family, or some of your families, mother and father both work, right? So why do they work? They work for you so that you can be happy. They can fulfill all your needs. They can fulfill your school fees, tuition fees, or your clothes, your demands, whatever you do to make you happy. They work so hard. So you should give respect to them, that they work so hard, and so you should also love them, and you should also in response you should also be responsible. Turn your page. Your parents spend time with you. They play with you. They laugh at your jokes. They try their best to make you happy. So not only do they work hard and they fulfill your demand, they also like to spend quality time with you. Quality time means that they want to play with you. They enjoy playing with you. They want to listen to what you say. They laugh, whatever joke you tell them, they laugh at your jokes, and they try their best to make you happy. So your parents love you. You learn from them to love others. Your parents want you to grow into a loving person. You cannot buy love with money. Love begets love. Always be a loving child. So children, your parents love you, okay? And you also love them, obviously. So you should learn to love everyone around you, okay? Your parents, your brother, sister, your friends, your cousins, your relatives, uncle, aunts, everyone. And this is how you will grow into a loving person, and everyone loves a loving person. And you cannot buy love with money. It's not like you are very rude and you just give money to others and they will be happy. No, it's not that. So you have to love means you have a loving feeling for them, then only people will love you. It's not like money. With money cannot buy love. Love begets love. It means what? If you behave lovingly to another person, that person will also behave lovingly to you. So this is the meaning of love begets love. So children, always be a loving child, okay? Love everyone who is around you, and don't grow the feeling of hatred for anyone. That is not good, okay children? I hope it is clear. Now let's do the book exercise also. So take a pencil and we will do it. Page number 14. Pick the right answers. Your parents love you because you will write this one, you belong to them, okay? Fourth option, you belong to them. Now come to page number 15. True, false. You learn to love others from your parents. True. Love does not make you forgive your friend. False. Love is received by loving others. True. Your parents want you to become sick. False. Your parents are, fill in the blanks we'll do. Your parents are proud of you. Your parents are worried if you do not reach home in time. In some homes, mothers too go out to work. So first answer is proud, second answer is home, and third answer is mothers. Okay children? So with this we have completed the fourth chapter. Thank you.